garden hose and go put that fire out.
Yeah, I mean, that shit is shaking our building. Is that has to be Southwest gas, ain't it, or the?
No, that's
The BOC place is on
Yeah.
this side of the freeway, though. You know what I'm talking about?
no, it's like right under 30.
The Southwest gas is.
No, BOC.
No, it's off to the left, so it's right next to Signal.
Block that, further on up, I think.
Yeah, it's one of. I want to know what got it cranked though. You know, for.
Don't make any difference what's close to each other.
Yeah.
That kind of explosion and shrapnel,
Oh yeah, it'll crank
go
off.
right through one of those things.
No, Southwest gas is just like right over there.
No, no.
Because you go down to this,
They're
you
on
make
that
a right,
side of
and they're down